How does a computer use binary? They cannot count with their fingers, right? Let's look at a byte, a bit, and a word. A bit is, as you guessed it, a binary digit. On and off is easy to represent with just one bit. But what if I want to show the number 10? For example, 10 in positional 10 system, not in the binary system where it means 2. So if I start with 0, and then I go 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, and then I go all the way to 1, 0, 1, 0, now that is equivalent to a 10 in the positional base 10 system. And how many bits do I need to represent this? Look, I need 1, 2, 3, and 4. To make this whole grouping nomenclature easier, we've got bytes, which is a collection of bits. 1 byte is always 8 bits. 2 bytes would be 16 bits. 3 bytes is going to be 24 bits, and so on and so forth.
In the old days, the summer of love, when IBM was the market leader in computing technology, they came up with a brilliant idea of grouping characters together, being able to access them individually, to save time and energy, of course, as well as to read them as a single unit called word. IBM's System 360 called one word equals 4 bytes, which equals 32 bits. While Intel PC processor architecture, one word is equal to 2 bytes, which equals 16 bits.
On a hardware level, physically, this means that components are arranged to regard groups of 4 continuous bits of 8 bits as one 32-bit word in IBM, and 2 continuous 8-bit groups as a 16-bit word in Intel. Next logical question would be, okay, I know that numbers are easy to represent now, but how do I represent English characters or any other language? This is where ASCII comes in. Ask what? The American Standard Code for Information Interchange is ASCII, and this is used to encode information in communication so that letters get their representation as well. In this, a character is assigned to a binary byte to encode letters, caps locks, punctuations, and symbols. It is a 7-bit set of character codes which allows for 128 characters and only for English.
Although other languages have their own variant through ASCII, like the Chinese have their own ASCII.